नमस्ते बिटिया, सदा खुश रहो। Myself, Dr. Hemant Vyas, Associate Professor and Head of Department of Surgery, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to present uh, an important topic from intestinal surgery, and the name of topic is Meckel's diverticulum. So what is a Meckel's diverticulum? It is an abnormal pouch of tissue on the small intestine. Here we can see the pouch which is extending from the small intestine. So rule of 2 for Meckel's diverticulum. The incidences are about 2%. Location is 2 feet proximal to ileocecal junction. Length is about 2 inches long, and ectopic tissues are two types, gastric and pancreatic. Presentation is 2 years or below 2 years is the most common age, and male is to female ratio is 1 is to 2. Then clinical presentation, there is massive bleeding per rectum in the form of melena. It is not uncommon. In many other patients, mild chronic bleeding can result in anemia also. Acute Meckel's diverticulitis, factors which precipitate diverticulitis are peptic ulceration due to ectopic gastric mucosa of the diverticulum, ingested foreign material, that is stock of vegetables, seeds, fish or chicken bones. Then fecolith, it is not common in ileum. Tumors, worms causing stasis and bacterial infection. Inflammation and ischemia caused by torsion due to an associated band is called as mesodiverticular band. Association with acute appendicitis, such causes can perforate very often. It is impossible to differentiate it from ruptured appendix. This is treated by laparotomy and resection of diverticulum along with adjacent intestine. In majority of appendicular perforations, local abscess will occur because of retrocecal position of the appendix. However, perforation of Meckel's diverticulum, even though a rare cause of peritonitis, has a high mortality rate. This is because infections spread very fast as diverticulum is intraperitoneal and contents are feculent. Now कैसे हम पहचानेंगे कि मेकल्स डायवर्टिकुलम का पेशेंट है? An older child which has deformed umbilicus and scarless abdomen with intestinal obstruction. अगर ये फीचर्स कोई पेशेंट लेके आ सकता है तो उसमें हम मेकल्स डायवर्टिकुलम को एक कॉज की तरह हम उसमें ट्रीट कर सकते हैं. Meckel's diverticulum and intestinal obstruction. As a cause of intestinal obstruction, when it is associated with band or due to volvulus, it is the most common presentation in adult. Intussusception, band, volvulus due to band, internal herniation beneath mesodiverticular band, diverticulitis and band, Litter's hernia. As a cause of intussusception, here also inflammatory heterotropic tissue can be found in the diverticulum in 2% of cases. Pain can occur due to chronic peptic ulceration. A neoplasm like carcinoids and GIST are more common in Meckel's diverticulum than elsewhere in the small intestine, although presence of Meckel's diverticulum itself is rare. Hernia of Litter is a hernial sac containing Meckel's diverticulum. Then investigation. No investigation can prove diagnosis of Meckel's diverticulum. Small bowel enema may demonstrate the diverticulum if opening is wide. Fluoroscopy is more ideal. 99 MTC labeled pertechnetate given intravenous may localize the heterotropic gastric mucosa in the Meckel's diverticulum in about 90% of patients. This radionuclide is taken up by the mucin secreting cells and parietal cells, and it is secreted immediately. Thus, if 99 MTC appears in the stomach as well as in other part of bowel, it indicates functioning heterotrophic tissues. Even when bleeding is at a rate of 0.1 ml per minute, it can detect Menkes diverticulum. Hence, it is superior to angiography. Very useful in children with bleeding. Then treatment. Incidentally found Menkes diverticulum laparotomy for some other causes can be left alone provided it has a wide mouth. However, a note of it must be made in the operation register. Menkes diverticulum with bleeding, band perforation and narrow mouth is treated by removal of diverticulum with adjacent intestine because the gastric tissue may often line the intestine also. Indication for removal of incidentally found Menkes diverticulum. If the children under 2 years of age, Menkes with a band, Menkes with adhesion, Menkes with narrow base and long Menkes diverticulum must be removed if it is found incidentally in the children. This session is powered by Digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you very much.